Getting a sheer blouse from market which is embellished with ruffles is an expensive game, but making it or DIYing it at home under budget is our game, right? Hello there, today we will be constructing a classic sheer blouse which is embellished with ruffles. So it's gonna be a very fun DIY project. Also it will be easy as we will be using our basic t-shirt as a guide for pattern. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Here I have used 3 meters of tulle fabric. Wait, there are different varieties of tulle fabric available in the market. We need to select the one which retains its shape. I mean which is sturdy enough to hold the shape of ruffles. Start off by folding the fabric widthwise and then lengthwise, so we will end up with a 4-layered fabric or a 4-folded fabric. Moving on, as I told you earlier, we will not prepare any of the typical bodice pattern. Instead, we will be using our basic t-shirt to create the pattern. Oh well, this saves a lot of effort. Make sure not to trace the neckline, however, make sure to mark the point from where it starts. Once the pattern is traced, cut it out. Now mark 1.5 inches down from here. This will form the length of the neckline, and then mark 2 to 3 inches down from this folded side, and this will form the width of the neckline. After that, join the 2 points. This will form a square. Now using a curved scale like this, draw a neckline. Once done, cut it out. After that, divide the back panel into equal parts so that we can add a zipper at the back side. Now place both the front as well as the back panel good side to good side, and then sew the shoulder as well as the side seams. Once done, turn it to the right side. Now cut out a strip of fabric of width 3 to 4 inches. Fold the fabric widthwise and then start pinning the strip all along the edges of neckline. Once done, sew all around the edges. To make ruffles, we need to cut strips of fabric of different widths. Now make pleats and sew to secure it in place. Continue doing it until you reach the end of the strip. Repeat the same procedure for all of these strips. Now arrange the strips of ruffles on neckline as shown. Once done, sew them one by one. To make the sleeves, we need to cut out a strip of fabric. The dimensions are mentioned on the screen. Now fold the fabric lengthwise and then draw a freehand curve like this. Now take your wrist circumference, divide it by 2 and then mark a point from here. Now using a ruler, draw a line joining this point with the very end point of the sleeve cap part. Then cut it out. Again cut strips to make ruffles to add on our sleeves part. Sew the layers of ruffles on the bottom part. Once done, turn the sleeve to the wrong side and then sew the side seams. Now perform basting stitches on the sleeve cap part. Flip the top to the wrong side, place the sleeve inside the armhole curve and try to adjust the sleeve cap part. Pin it to secure it in place. Now sew all along the armhole curve to attach the sleeve in place. The last step is to sew a zipper at back and we are done.